Can you believe it only takes a few minutes to create a full song from lyrics to melody without knowing how to play an instrument or sing? Sounds unbelievable, right? Today on CADE AI Grove, I'll be reviewing and testing out Suno AI. This is an AI tool that can turn your ideas into music in just minutes, and I'll show you step by step how it works. Step 1. Write lyrics with ChatGPT. First, we need lyrics. Do you need to write them yourself? Not at all. You can use ChatGPT. Just take a trending song on YouTube as a reference, then drop the prompt into ChatGPT. You instantly get complete lyrics. Step 2. Create music with Suno AI. Next, go to Suno.ai, link in the description. Log in with Google or Microsoft super quick. Before creating, you'll see Suno offers 2 modes. Simple mode, enter a short description. AI generates music or lyrics and music with suggested tags. Great for beginners, quick and easy. Custom mode, full control over lyrics, genre, mood, tempo, instruments, and singer style. Best if you want precise results. Here, I'll choose custom mode to create the song, since I want more control over the details. Now click Create a Song. Paste the lyrics from ChatGPT, add a music style like pop, R&B, or ballad, and hit Generate. Suno will automatically create multiple full versions of the song. Step 3. Listen and choose. After just a few seconds, 2 demo tracks are ready. Let's listen.
When the night feels colder than the day, and the stars seem a million miles away, hold on, there's a fire in your chest, a quiet strength that never rests. Every tear is a seed that will grow. Every scar tells a story you know. When the night feels colder than the day, and the stars seem a million miles away, hold on, there's a fire in your chest, a quiet strength that never rests. Every tear is a seed that will grow. Every scar tells a story you know.
Personally, I prefer the second version because it's really catchy, so I'll go with that one. Step 4. Download and finalize. And now we've got a complete song. To save it, just click Download next to the track. The song will download in just a few seconds. Super simple. After generating your track, if you want to expand it, simply click the 3 dots next to the song and select Remix. From there, you can add a new verse, create an outro, or tweak details to make the song more complete. One tip, if you plan to use this music on YouTube, Shorts, or any public content, I recommend upgrading to Suno Pro. It's affordable, gives you higher quality, and helps you avoid copyright issues. If you're serious about content creation, it's definitely worth it. And that's how I created a complete song with Suno AI in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CADE AI Grove for more awesome AI content. See you in the next video.